Hey everybody, this is Dave with All Safe Pool Fence Nets and Covers. Today we have a gate that's out of adjustment. So we're going to show you how to adjust the gate. Could be something as simple as a couple of turns with a Phillips head screwdriver, or there could be something else wrong. Now this is pretty obvious because the striker body is hitting the latch right now. But when you look at the gate, there will be a gap at the bottom between the gate and the truss, and up here at the top. They should be equal. Obviously this is tilting in and something is causing this to be out of adjustment. So before we focus on the gate, let's go check out the rest of the fence to see how it looks. If any part of your fence is not connected, it could throw your gate off. Make sure every section is connected using the section latch. Also check that the poles are firmly seated in the ground and that your fence is connected at the wall anchors, as well as any other termination points. You also want to make sure that the gate truss is completely seated in the ground. This is an easy fix. All you need to do is disconnect the gate truss from the fence pole, open the gate allowing the truss to relax at its 3-degree angle, slide the truss into the ground, and then slide the pole into the ground, and then reconnect the truss to the fence. When your gate is correctly connected, the eye will be in the horizontal position. If the eye is left in the vertical position, it will back out and the pole could twist, causing the gate to be out of alignment. Make sure you leave the eye in the horizontal position. There are 2 other slots for the eye to slide through the rectangular bracket. Typically, the eye will go back into the slot the installer left it in, but if you need these adjustments later in the life of your fence, you will have them available. Now it's time to adjust the latch. What I want to do is engage the screw and the screwdriver. I'm looking for the screw right in the middle of the striker body. It's silver. So put the screwdriver in and close the gate. The screwdriver will be between the latch and the striker body. If I turn the screwdriver clockwise, the striker body moves towards me. If I turn it counterclockwise, the striker body moves away. So what I want to do is look for the 2 notches, one on the striker body and one on the latch. Turn the screwdriver until those 2 notches line up. Now let's look at the vertical adjustment. You probably will never have to adjust this, but if you need to, then remove the screw on the side of the latch. This will allow the latch to slide up and down. To make sure it's aligned, close the gate and slide it down until the arrow and the indicator on the striker body are lined up, and then put the screw back in. To adjust spring tension, use a flathead screwdriver and insert it into the top slot of the spring. Pushing down and turning it counterclockwise will increase tension. Pushing down and turning clockwise will decrease tension. Now for the lower hinge, you want to remove the safety cap first with the Phillips head screwdriver, then switch to a flathead screwdriver to adjust the hinge the same way you adjusted the top hinge. Just remember after adjusting the hinge to reinstall the safety cap. Now to lock the fence, you would insert the key and turn 1 full rotation counterclockwise. A red dot will appear. This indicates that it's locked. To unlock it, you insert the key, turn clockwise 1 full rotation, and the red dot will disappear, indicating that it is unlocked. And now the gate seems to be working perfectly. Just remember to check out the rest of your fence before you focus on the gate to make sure everything is latched and everything is secure. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next time.